Hi. So we're still on lockdown, man, and the struggle is real. I won't even lie to you. Man, especially with a toddler at home. Meanwhile, can you guys see my skin? I'm breaking out real bad. I don't know what happened, but my face is a mess. So if you have any suggestions on what I can use, please let me know. I'm currently using turmeric, lemon, and honey mixture on my face, but I don't know if that's really helping, but it's bad. I'm really breaking out. Anyways, today I'm going to just show you how I try to keep Tommy engaged during this lockdown period, because I'm trying to see if I can get her to have more study time and still have fun at home, but it's a challenge. And if you're a parent to a toddler, you will know that the struggle is real. Like, it's not even easy handling a toddler during lockdown and even when there's no lockdown. So you can imagine now that we are all stuck at home. Yummy. You want to wash your hands? Okay. Time for Tommy to wash her hands. No, Mama, have you cleaned it very well? Clean it. Is it clean?
It's just clean.
Your hands are clean now.
Hand is clean.
Okay. See, the playhouse was deflated. Give me Lola your energy, eh? Mama, come and take your apples. Come and take your apples. Take. Come and take your apple. Take.
Wow, we're apple.
Apples, yeah. Good job, Mama. Right there. Great job, choo-choo. Start your train. Good job. Choo-choo. Mama, do you like your train? Okay, move the train.
Train.
Choo-choo. Press it.
Choo-choo.
See, it's making noise. What are you doing? Can you sit down so we can make your hair? Hi.
Hey.
Okay, let's make your hair. Are you ready to make your hair?
Make your hair.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Okay, so I have a puff puff recipe on my channel. Yeah, I'm going to add the link in the description box. Tomlala, what are you saying? Yeah, so be sure to check it out. But yeah, puff puff is Tommy's favorite snack, so she's been on my case. I had to make it for her today. Because of puff puff, you're happy? Eh? It's hot, okay? Take it to daddy. Hi, so today has been a long day. I had to do meal prep, and yeah, I made jollof rice, egusi soup, and I had to do puff puff for Tommy. Meanwhile, flour is so scarce. Like, I looked for flour, I couldn't find. Like, what's scarce in your area? I know that tissue is scarce, of course. Paper napkins, sanitizers, disinfectants. All those things are scarce. But flour, like, I didn't expect it. Like, what are people doing with flour? Is it a disinfectant that they didn't tell us about? So, yeah, I've been searching for flour, and Tommy really likes puff puff. So, I don't know how we are going to cope. I found self-rising flour, and I don't know how that's going to turn out if I use it for puff puff. If you've used that before, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, I'm done with meal prep now. Tommy is eating her puff puff. Yeah, you can hear her voice. Tommy is eating her puff puff now, so I think I'm going to eat now, and then we'll probably read a book together, maybe, if I have the power. But I'm quite exhausted already. But let's see how that goes. Mama, the puff puff is hot. That's why.
Mama, calm down now.
So we're trying to put in the cereal into this. Okay. Yeah. Then you put it down. And you put it in the hole. Then you pull it down. Yeah. Good. Another one. And put it in, and then you pull it down. Oh yeah, pull it down. Pull it down. Good. Again. Cereal necklace. It's cute. Mama, you did a good job. Clap for Tommy. Yes.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 14, 14, 18, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, what's the bus? Sunday. Ship, sink it, cluck.
The pig. What does the pig say?
Oi, 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 oi.
Good. Okay. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I hope you guys are staying safe, washing your hands, and just trying as much as you can to stay at home. So tell them to wash their hands. Say, wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Yeah. So make sure that you wash your hands and you just stay safe. Hope you stay safe, guys. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, hopefully soon. And yeah, bye. Say subscribe to my channel.
The
Subscribe to my channel.
channel.
The channel. Bye.
Bye.